I'm Andrea Marsh, founder and executive director of the Texas Fair Defense Project. The Texas Fair Defense Project, or TFDP, is a nonprofit legal advocacy organization. We fight to make sure that people who are accused of criminal offenses aren't stripped of their rights just because they don't have enough money to mount a defense, and to make sure that people who are convicted of crimes don't leave the system with so much debt that they are unable to support themselves and their families. We believe that you shouldn't have to be rich to get justice from the courts, and that once you pay for a mistake, you should have an opportunity to move on and make a better life. Most of TFDP's work focuses on the right all people have to defend themselves if the government accuses them of a crime. Right now, the constitutional right to counsel is an empty promise for many low-income people charged with criminal offenses. They are pressured to plead guilty without a lawyer or are represented by lawyers who lack the skill or resources to test the prosecution's case. We recognize that the right to counsel is only one of many moving parts of the criminal justice system, and only one of many areas where the system has broken down. But TFDP focuses on the right to counsel because we believe it is the key leverage point to achieving systemic reform of the criminal justice system. That's because, first, true transformation of the criminal justice system will only occur through changes to the front end of the criminal justice process, before someone is convicted of a crime. We need to fix the system before someone is wrongly convicted, and before millions more of our neighbors get criminal records that will limit their ability to hold a job and live a productive life. Second, the front end of the criminal justice system will never work unless people accused of crime receive quality defense representation. Our criminal justice system is an adversarial system. It's designed to get at the best result by having two opponents present their case. It simply can't work if only one opponent gets to present its side of the story. And third, providing people accused of crime with quality defense lawyers provides a real opportunity to put the brakes on a system that is out of control. Over 1 in 4 adult Americans has been involved in the criminal justice system at some point in their lives. When defense lawyers are out of the picture or aren't given the resources to do their job, police and prosecutors are able to ratchet up their case volume almost without limit because no one is checking their work. TFDP needs your financial support to continue its work. Only a handful of foundations fund efforts to improve the front end of the criminal justice system. Even fewer of those support work in Texas, despite the prominent role Texas plays in driving national debate on criminal justice issues. If we don't find additional sources of support, we will not be able to maintain our current level of operations or take advantage of existing opportunities to leverage our work to achieve systemic change that addresses broader problems with wrongful convictions and overcriminalization. Thank you for taking a few minutes to learn about the Texas Fair Defense Project. The extended video provides more detail about how we do our work and our results. And I hope now that you've heard about our mission and goals, you're interested in learning more.